Assalamu alaikum, bro. What's your name?
My name is Temirwan.
How old are you, man?
14.
14. Bro, what is this stuff?
This is kurut.
Kurut.
Yes.
What is it?
This is cheese.
Cheese.
Product.
Which one is the best one?
This is.
Just a little
Yes,
bit.
yes, try.
Try?
Yes, this is very sweet.
Alright, man. Like this?
Yes.
Oh, bro, this is fukuzni.
Yes.
Delicious, man. Let me buy three pieces. Three
Three
stock.
piece? Okay.
Your English is very good.
Yes, thank you very much.
Where do you learn English?
Off school.
School.
Yes. Oh, my brother.
Bro, I will buy. Yep, I will buy.
No.
Brother, no.
No.
Brother.
This is surprise. No.
Brother, please.
No.
Come on. You're too nice. You take it, man. Take it.
No.
Brother, please.
No.
Please. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much too.
This is your family business?
Yes. This is mom business and brother.
So you only come here after school?
Yes.
The curd is delicious, man. Thank you so much.
So,
Brother, nice to meet you, man.
thank you very much. Nice to meet you too.
What a nice guy that was, man. Oh my god, he wanted to give me for free. It's so nice to meet people like this in the markets. Makes me like more optimistic about the future, to be honest.